How to use Deepseek for writing. In order to use Deepseek for writing, you primarily interact with it via a chat box interface or API by providing a clear and detailed prompt. So for this, what you need is you can either use the browser version of it and or else you could use the app as well. If you're using the app, you need to install it from your respective app store. So head into your app store and type in Deepseek on the search bar and install a Deepseek onto your device. After which, you also need to create an account. And if you want to get the premium version of it, you could do that as well. Or else, the free version can also be helpful enough. Next, after you're done creating your account, you can see the message bar at the bottom, right? So all you need is simply type in the prompt. So you need to be careful while using AI, or whenever you're using AI, you have to be clear with your prompt. So basically, you have a clear prompt, you get a better result. So you want to type in the prompt, what you're actually looking for, since you want to use Deepseek for writing. So maybe it's an article, or maybe it's an essay, or maybe it's a story, whatever that you're doing, you have to give a clear prompt. So I'm going to type in write an article or something like that. So let's see, this is the one. You also need to type in the exact word, what sort of sentence structure you like, or what sort of wording you like. Whether it's a very simple word or you want to use a very complex and a heavy word, you could go ahead and type in that as well. And basically, you go ahead and add in the prompt, and this is going to provide you with the all information or requirement that you have. So that's it. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.